So slope is a number that describes a line's steepness and its inclination. So when we talk about steepness and inclination, we are talking about a line on a graph. So basically, we are talking about examples like these right here. So what a line slope is, it is a number that measures how much the line is going upwards or downward, depending, like this one's going down, this one's going up, and how much of an incline it's doing it at. So for example, let's take a look at this example right here, and let's do rise over run to figure out the slope. Let's zoom in here. So to figure out rise over run here, we look at our 2 points. So our 2 points are right here and right here. What we do is we want to count the spaces that this line is going up, 1, 2, and the spaces it's going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because this number of rise over run, so rise over run, was it rose 2 spaces and it ran 6. So what this is saying that for every 2 spaces this thing goes up, it also runs 6. So if we do that again, 2, 6, that means our next point would be right there. So this is the pattern in which the line is growing. And slope is the number that tells you that pattern. So since we see here that it's going up 2 and run 6, our slope is simply 2 over 6. If we were to look at the second example, rise over run, we got to remember that rise over run means we go up and down first. So we have to go down. So we don't count left and right first. We always count our spaces up and down first. So if we count our spaces up and down, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spaces down. And since it's going down, we're going to call that negative 10. And now we count the spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4 spaces to the right. So our slope is simply negative 10 over 4. Now, these are good examples. However, we have to make sure that we simplify. So we got to simplify. So we're going to divide both of these numbers by 2. So our final answer could be 1/3. And on this one, we're going to divide both of our numbers by 2 as well. So our final answer could be negative 5 over 2. And that's our final answer.